You can connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds to a PC or Mac wirelessly in order to update software. First, you'll have to download the Galaxy Buds Manager app. You can find this on the Samsung Buds support page on Samsung.com. Select Manuals and Downloads. Under Software, click See More. Download the correct version for your PC or Mac. Then run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the install. Next, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your computer. Open the Galaxy Buds Manager app. Now, if your buds are already in the case, all you need to do is open the case to enter pairing mode. However, if your Galaxy Buds are out and about, you'll first need to place them in the charging case. Then close the case and reopen it to go into pairing mode. Next, select Connect on your computer. Once connected, you can check for updates. Looks like we're all up to date.